Now we are going to make a bracelet, and I got an order from USA anyway. I also have a shop on Etsy that you can buy from, or product if you like it. These are unique designs made from genuine leather, sterling silver, gemstones. Really good. What we are going to use now is these materials. This is lava. Lava is a stone, volcanic stone. You may know better than me. You see, this one has little holes. It's because lava is like that. What they do is just cut around to make the beads, but these are natural ones. And then we got this beauty, natural turquoise. Natural turquoise. Very nice color. Turquoise is a natural stone that there's not many there. It's not many there. It's a bit expensive to buy for me, but it's very rare to find suppliers that have this quality. Okay, so we are going to use also cow leather and also tiger tail wire 0.45, which is very strong to hold the beads for a long time. And we use these crimps to hold them in place. Start threading. So one by one. As I said before, this bracelet is going to be a 22 centimeters length. Now we have finished the threading of all the beads, and we are going to join with the leather. Now the beads will be joined with the leather. What we are going to use on this bracelet is solid sterling silver clasp. This kind of clasp is a solid sterling silver. It has the mark there, 925. We'll put the wire through here, back to the other end. And tie them up. This will be one end. As we said, this is going to be a 22 centimeters. When we glue it up, it will hold properly. So now we're going to the other end. Trying to get the length. We fit the wire through the knot. And and then we tie the knot. I know that some people don't like the knocking on the table, but that's the way to do it properly. The two ends are secured. Now we are going to put the clasp. So we cut the leather in a way that will fit on the clasp. So we put the glue, couple of drops, and we use this tool to fix it. So that's one end, properly made. So we got to the other end and do the same. Get some glue, couple of drops, stick in, make it to fit, squeeze a little bit there so that the glue moves around. And that's it. Leave it for a couple of minutes for the glue to dry. Well, after a few minutes, put some coconut oil to protect the layer. And this is what we have at the end. It's a nice, properly made bracelet made in Australia. And that's it's going to fit like that one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.